One word to describe what Odoo is for Washburn is everything. Everything that we do here on a daily basis touches Odoo somehow. I'm Heath Halford. I'm the COO at Washburn Computer.
I'm the IT coordinator.
I'm the president of Washburn Computer Group. Washburn is a depot repair facility.
Anything that has to do with checkout systems, POS systems, network equipment, data center equipment.
We've become a very metric-rich organization because of Odoo, and we very much lacked that before. Stability and integrity were things that were a very large challenge before implementing Odoo.
Lack of automation, endless hours in spreadsheets. That had to stop.
We hoped to have a single solution to be able to handle all of those things.
I wanted to have the freedom to change the software, edit the software, put new modules on the software the time that we want to do it. We didn't want to expect from the software manufacturer to push that in the next update and wait for several months. Right now, we have developed, I would say, 25 complete apps. The main one, it's the warranties. The second main one is the way we ship inventory. We had, if I remember right, 6 people, but they were doing data entry. I would say that inventory was not correct, ever. After we deployed Odoo in this building, it took us about 2 months to stabilize the inventory. And since then, last time I checked, we were about 1% off. Because right now, the process is the same, but in one ecosystem.
I almost always start out inside the inventory app. I'm not spending an hour walking around the building trying to figure out where something is. I know exactly where it is. I can see where a product is at any moment in time. It also allows us to be able to easily integrate off-site storage, because now I can see that it's at warehouse number 2 and not at warehouse number 1. Whereas before we didn't have that visibility. I spend an awful lot of time in the accounting app because that's where most of our reporting comes from. And so getting in and looking at how much product do we have waiting for repair allow us to schedule things and kind of line things up. I think having that data at your fingertips is pretty dang huge.
Changing to Odoo in the first 3 months, I would say that it improved the speed that we operate by 50%.
I think efficiency is 100% improved, which I know doesn't feel like it's possible, but I'm telling you, we are way more efficient than we have been. It is due largely to Odoo and the way that Pete has implemented Odoo for us. It allows us to do more with less.
On a daily basis, we seem to incorporate more and more functions of the business into Odoo and leverage Odoo for more and more things. It is a very large impact, I can say that for sure, and certainly it helps with operational efficiency.
Odoo was AI before AI, because we were able to put it in place and allow it to do more with less people because Odoo was handling some of the heavy lifting. Anybody with over half dozen employees should seriously consider Odoo. It makes your life easier and more consistent.